I'm gonna take you inside to a live project. This is what your house is gonna look like after 1 week of work doing a complete main floor renovation. Welcome inside, completely restructuring and relocating all the functions of a main floor. All the load-bearing walls have come out, and we're putting in beams, lifting them to put them in place, and then we shore them up. Once the beams are in, inspections get done, and we move on with the finishings. The kitchen at one point was on the right side of the house, and now it's going to be moved completely over to the left side. So all mechanicals, all your HVAC, all your plumbing, and all your electrical all get transferred over or reran to the new location of the kitchen. Eventually, this window will be changed to reflect the new layout. We'll have a sink, dishwasher, stove, everything moved to this location. And then once we're done with all this, the finishings go in and millwork follows that. Before we got started, the original fireplace was in the corner here. And due to the reconfiguration and the way this room is gonna work when we're done, we're gonna put a new fireplace in here. We're gonna take these windows out, change the height of them, infill the exterior, and clad the inside with drywall, and then built-ins will go on both sides of the fireplace. These are temporary walls. We put them in to hold the house up while we're restructuring the home and putting in the beams. This contraption is one of the apparatuses that lift the beam into place. Depending on the weight of the beam, we get as many as we need to lift the beam. They kind of wheel up, kind of like a bicycle. You pedal them up and then it lifts the beam into place. These particular stairs were big contention with the homeowner because of the tight twists at the top. So we're completely removing the stairs, building a landing and having the stairs go straight up to the landing and then making a left turn up to the second floor. We will then do the same thing with the main floor to the basement. So we'll have a landing and then eliminate the turn and have the stairs go straight to the basement.